Magnify your English. Power up with positive and negative adverbs. Hello, language learners. We're back with another fascinating topic in our English language learning series. Today, we're zooming in on positive and negative adverbs. We'll learn how these adverbs can bring more depth and color to your sentences. Remember, adverbs modify verbs, adjectives, or other adverbs to give more details about an action, quality, or other description. Adverbs, as we know, add more information to verbs, adjectives, or even other adverbs. But what are positive and negative adverbs? They are adverbs that express a positive or negative view or attitude towards the action, quality, or other description they are modifying. For example, in the sentence, "He sang beautifully," beautifully is a positive adverb because it shows a positive view of the singing. On the other hand, in the sentence, "She sang horribly," horribly is a negative adverb because it shows a negative view of the singing. Positive adverbs, as we've mentioned, express a favorable or good view. They can make your sentences sound more encouraging, friendly, or complimentary. Here are a few examples. 1. Efficiently, she completed the project efficiently. 2. Kindly, he kindly offered his seat to the elderly lady. 3. Brilliantly, the team performed brilliantly in the tournament. Negative adverbs express an unfavorable or poor view. They can make your sentences sound more critical or disapproving. Here are a few examples. 1. Poorly, the student performed poorly on the test. 2. Rudely, he rudely interrupted her while she was speaking. 3. Haphazardly, the documents were haphazardly scattered on the desk. A great way to practice using positive and negative adverbs is to take a sentence and change its meaning by switching the adverb. Let's try this with a couple of examples. 1. Positive, she cheerfully greeted everyone at the party. Negative, she grudgingly greeted everyone at the party. 2. Positive, the team worked cooperatively to finish the project. Negative, the team worked disjointedly to finish the project. There you have it. Today we explored the powerful world of positive and negative adverbs. Remember, using these can significantly enhance your English sentences, making them more expressive and dynamic. Keep practicing, and soon, you'll be able to use positive and negative adverbs effortlessly. Notice the positive adverb there? Happy learning, and see you in our next video.